Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to be showing you a pantry organization clean with me. Before we go into the pantry to clean and organize, I wanted to mention this video is sponsored by Hoover. Throughout my home, I have several rooms that have carpet, and from time to time there are areas that need a quick spot cleaning. I have rugs in my kitchen and in front of my pantry that get dirty or accidentally get stained when cooking or just from walking on with everyday use. If you have any carpet or rugs that need a quick cleaning due to a high traffic area or need a stain removed, look no further than with Hoover. Hoover specializes in a wide variety of household cleaning products that include vacuum cleaners to carpet and hardwood cleaners. They were kind enough to allow me to demonstrate to you all the Hoover Power Dash Pet Compact Cleaner. I'm going to be cleaning the rugs I have in my nook and kitchen area and wanted to show you how easy it is to set up and operate the Power Dash. The last step is to add this deep clean and neutralize carpet cleaning formula into some water, then you're all set to go. This cleaning solution will have your carpet and rugs smelling refreshed and clean. The Power Dash Pet Carpet Cleaner is so easy to use and really does a great job. It's lightweight and compact, which makes it enjoyable to clean and is great for storage. It features a power spin pet brush roll that provides a powerful clean for high traffic areas and small spaces. It also features and is designed with heat force power that helps to deliver even faster drying for any space. Not only does it make cleaning convenient and enjoyable, but the prices for their products are reasonable and affordable. After cleaning the white and gray kitchen runner and rugs, this is how the water looks. My kitchen rugs were dirty and now I'm going to empty out the water from the side. There's an orange quick pour spout to unplug, then I'm going to add more water to clean the kitchen nook rug. You don't have to change the water every time unless it's at maximum capacity. I personally just wanted to change the water because I wanted to see how dirty the nook rug was in comparison to the other ones in the kitchen. One of my favorite cleaning things to do in my home is to vacuum, and now it's also using this Power Dash Pet for my carpet and rugs. I couldn't believe how dirty these areas of my home were, so I'm very happy to know they're actually washed and clean. I love how convenient and fast it was to clean my rugs because I was done with all of these rugs in less than 30 minutes. This makes for a great gift idea, whether it's for yourself or for someone you know that would love it. I will leave the link to shop the Power Dash Pet in the description box below. I'm really happy to have this amazing product in my home, and I want to thank Hoover for sponsoring this video. I like giving my home a good deep clean to know my home is actually clean, so when I saw that those kitchen rugs needed the extra love, I had to get that done first before starting on the pantry. Many of you guys really enjoyed the first pantry transformation, so I wanted to show what it was currently looking like just after a few months. I like sharing real behind scenes of what my home looks like before I tackle the space that needs attention because honestly you guys, it's not always going to be pretty or organized here because it's life. I'm excited to share this video with you all and hope it inspires you and motivates you to get started and organize your own pantry. Since this space was due for a cleaning and organization, I wanted to take you guys along and show you how I organized and gave this space a refresh. I went to a couple stores today to pick up snacks, kitchen, and home decor items, so here's a quick haul of everything I picked up. Please let me know in the comments if you would like to see vlog style videos like showing you where I shop and the things that I come across. I've been thinking of filming shop with me videos, so if you guys want to see them, I definitely will. These are the last pieces that I picked up, and I wanted to share this adorable rice cooker I picked up for my toddler. She loves rice and loves the color pink, so I knew this was perfect to have. My sweet friend Julie from Julie Simply Love shared this on her Instagram stories. She also has a YouTube channel and is very talented with a beautiful home. You guys should definitely check her out because I'm sure you will love her just as much as I do. I got these for my girls and thought they were the cutest little blankets for them. I also came across this plastic bag saver that I'm going to add in the pantry. This chill stainless steel bottle and tumbler set are a gift for my sister, and I love the color on them. These little spill-proof cups are for my baby, and here's a quick Costco haul. I wanted to share of things that we pick up a lot. Now to the fun part, which is organizing. I love seeing everything come together in a neat way. It makes me really happy and is so satisfying seeing things organized in their designated spaces. My toddler was really excited to see her bunny fruit snacks and kept pointing that little finger until I gave one to her. These 5 divider Lazy Susans from M Design are my absolute favorite. I use them everywhere throughout my home and are very convenient to organize items. What's one place in your home that you want to get organized? Whatever that may be, whether it's your pantry, closet, or room, I recommend that you set a timer and take 1 hour out of your day to organize that space you have been wanting to tackle. With doing that, you can see how much you can get done. You might be surprised to know that's all you need or a great start. Since I'm going to be placing my cereals and other items in clear containers, I wanted to share what I do to have the expiration date on the container. Grab some tape and attach a piece to the bottom of the clear container, then use a permanent marker to write the date, and that's it. It's super easy to take off and replace when you want to switch out the food. I'm really excited to be sharing this video with you guys because I received numerous amount of messages asking me, how do I find the time to organize and clean my home while having a baby and a toddler, being a housewife, and working from home? Truth is, you have to give yourself grace to do things one at a time. If my home is messy one day because my kids needed attention more than the piled up dishes or laundry to wash, it's okay to do those things later. I spend time with my family first, then when my girls go to sleep, I clean, and that's how I get things done. Sometimes when they play together, I tackle what I need to get done while being in the same room with them. My husband is also a huge help with cleaning our home, so if you have someone that can help, it makes the house chores faster to tackle. here's one last look of the before. And here's the after. It feels so good to have a space that's organized and that also looks nice because it makes me more productive in the day. Seeing a clean space motivates me to tackle on another part of my home that needs some love. I will link everything that I used to organize this pantry, and if I can't find the exact link to an item seen here, I will link something very similar. I have an Amazon link that you can click in the description box to reference items. You will see products I use in my home for pantry organization, kitchen organization, home decor, etc. I think it seems easier that way to have one link to take you to everything I share in my home. If you haven't seen what the before looked like with wire shelving, then I'll leave it linked below in the description box. You guys, it was a major transformation, but what really changed the space from the before is the new wood shelving. It really maximized this pantry and I can fit so much more things in here. This custom closet is by Modular Closets. It's amazing quality and just love how it took this space to the next level. I hope this video gave you some ideas and inspired you to organize your pantry. I love sharing tips on how to have a functional and organized space. If you enjoyed, I would love to hear from you in the comments. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. With that said, this concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching and for being here. I appreciate all of you more than you know. I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care.